Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Hyundai Elantra windshield wipers. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked and the ignition is off. Gather your new wiper blades, a small flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into its upright position. This prevents the arm from snapping back and potentially damaging the glass. Now, let's remove the old blade. Look for a small tab or button where the wiper blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old blade either down or up, depending on its design, to detach it from the arm. Once the old blade is off, carefully lower the wiper arm back towards the windshield, placing a clean cloth on the glass to prevent scratches if the arm accidentally drops. Installing the new blade is straightforward. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade firmly onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Double-check that it's properly attached. Once both new blades are installed, gently lower the entire wiper arm back onto the windshield. To finish, turn on your vehicle and test the new wiper blades using your windshield washer fluid. Ensure they clear the glass smoothly and quietly without streaking. For best results, regularly clean your wiper blades with a damp cloth to remove dirt and debris. This simple maintenance extends their lifespan and keeps your visibility clear. Also, check the description below for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.